The purpose of gathering, but I ain't here, yena yeshiawaha, and nejumedi no, asemti edasono, a media and cast briefing. Nyami adoma, 26th of August, and a movie on minor atranyache. Movie na, meti magasa, me person me count hones and baby because directors nene, and penifo muye movie no hojuma waha, tomado mubi biabe tuja. A Mr. President movie no. Nyami adoma 26th of August, and ye done di ewo fidue yimu. A Royal Cinema, HG Mall. Enti enenshie mu no, ye pese ye dwendwen kwan ye betimi afa so ye de Ghana moving industry ne beba back. Media no, dwumedie bay ene wo odi ewo yisinitwa edwumani mu. The role of the media as a stakeholder in bringing back the dying movie industry. Yankasa movie industry ne woo. You say or the D7. Say mpani ni ye sisi ne so no. Ye here say ye the movie industry ne beba. Into the purpose of the gathering a media cast, media briefing and the cast. Cast and the better but what it has gone into this shoot. Mr. President in the shoot, you know. And why they expect that this movie should bring back the love of the movie industry. At this point, you know, may acknowledge, because of say media, and may acknowledge the presence of all invited media men. I'm with you, you know. I'm saying the bedamoji. Yet the master say invited Momoso my day, Maba, Eddie Amaye. Yet there will be casting and so I say the production, crew and so I say the key personalities, key media personalities of Wokumasan and so a toy and sa. Ephraim Monsomo buy the mass. Yet the XG More Management, the CEO himself, and another mention, yet don't know so as to say to me my fear. Any BBI, the Juntienne, yen common in Yetiawa, ye June Quay Befasoa, ye day, part 1 and 2, Ebaba TV Subium, ye June Quay Befasoa, ye day, ye Kumawood movie, and I say ye movie in the Sababa TV Subium. Now ye jai telenovels ye translating into Chi, ye jai because this industry has a lot of talents. A lot of talent. Cast no yam for munama. Se cast out mucha Mr. President in a near Philip Yahank if you have a bomber. Internet, so there's a young talent, so money industry no. Until quite best in about to revive this industry. And no one share moon ye ewahase. Opinion what tipnoity at the Mayeno. Ghana's most favorite actor, Kojo Nkansa Lewin. Thank you.
I try me that say. Mr. said personalities in the stations that are in America recognize them on Sunday at Twaso. Tiano my wave, send a camera and a backup chow. Nana Osu Bodu Ewaha or Part TV. Nana Osu Bodu. That was say Akowa Chefta, Pensound TV, and so I had him say. No I may home. Isaac Justice Bediako GH1 no I may home. Mr. Bopes, Kesben TV. Yo, Mr. Bones. Hey, Mechaman. Mr. Bones, Mama Chow. Chow. Mr. Bones, where do I need you more? Me the channel call spelling I'm shading now Muzornoa Joseph Kusi and so I had him say Atenka TV you were Fuseni Sadek Royal TV and so Agro Papa Ezra TV and so I had him Bright Edu Wuntumi TV and FM you were Nana Yaojima Joy News you were Osei Samson Kesben TV FM so I Nicholas Swanta Adam TV Mamodini and Nadia Cheminiko, Aquaba. And see, yes, I'm ready about Twaso. I mean, say, wow, she movie concepts and then we share dinner. That's now we expect a lot. I didn't think a young movie about Mr. President. Questioning Uncle Phoebe Baby Salmono. I dream Ben a wetchy concept Benny a try to be portray. What exactly is the message we're trying to sell out there? May send may invited director. No be introduce cast no. Or introduce so many harmony and your more engaged we are before. Okay. And then my main introduce here, Director Jackson. Oti Waha. Okay, Oti Mr. O, over joining Mrs. Sia. Introduction of cast production and all.
Yama Obibia Kwaba. A radio show Bibia, my grandpa. I'm a better Ghana film industry. the name Mr. President, you believe say equity, and this gives us the power, say you are bringing back the industry to life. Here come Mr. President, a movie, and here come movie so I said, it contains a whole lot of people, both cast, crew, a whole lot of characters, no, any crew, any the production team, a boama, Mr. President, a very successful Yawaha. Main Semre, no, men start with the Council of Elders. Yeah, Papa, Mr. Godfred Opoku. He's a veteran actor in the Ghana film industry. Also, named the Ekaho. And Emma Yenya. Yawo Yamame a free force in an energy minister. Our film industry. And in every institution, every state, Biano, Abambia, your opposition leaders, ne opposition parties are. Now, almost the Omofia state in Yipa. Now, at that time, the opposition leader, no, I know the president of that time, no, Mr. Brifo. And an abedi Mr. Anamon. And I campaign team bia now omonso eje Mr. President and wati akunyane so. Eye Kwajon Cancer team no. Ni women organizers no. Kala Kumase will be any Mr. Friend Amajimine. Ono Kamano Moboa Yema Kwajon Cancer Timbenya Akunyano Edi Yeno Ehon. You were Apostle Quartin, and so Ewo Yumano and she a part of the ministerial team. You were Odifu Paul. And you can't you pan over here and canny also my. Oh, no, was set a record. Oh, we asked what you president light him. Sir President Deca. Both office and in the fee to a Chinese canium. I brought a big mouth. And I was sweet Mimi. Inform me, I see behind every successful man, there is a woman, but not just a woman, a very virtuous woman. Oba or my bear margin pa, a man a day idea. It's not president and so yere, and I need no man of foot to umpum. Said the idea, Chia, will beat me a pa, a catch any man for. The Irene Angela Sewa Boating, I will be an friend Angie's boat. Now you're calling in area almost your mine, Nipana Ukurano. Now we're so mine, Ebekoye. And you will be, I say, your champion killer. Me patchans and my body no be, I'm sorry. The man himself, Omaye say, near my biwo. I bet him the aboa or my own mafia. Africa bet him a Ama Africa tumpong. Let's welcome him, Mr. President, Kwajon Cancer Lewin. We know. Before I send a script, no, ever done videos, visuals. Mbacho, you bet me at say. Before I send a story, never done a visuals, video, there is a team here from the technical crew. I'm going to put two words into pictures. Emma and Yababe. You best start here from the head of production. Assistant production of boy, and Chroma Boama Jumadini course, no. Samuel Bauer. So how I'm Pejani Sana, you. And as I will hear, Mr. President, our costume, how unique it was in African shape to promote our culture and here traditional. Nipa wa boa ye costume and wardrobe. Aya kwabna amwako. Ena Dorcas. Won't even filming with that light for you to get a quality picture. Nipa wa boa a lighting system so aya Nana to Fort Jackson. Aya from the KFM. Sinina niye no na sebe enye Charlie Chaplin enye Kalika Chantina was a recorded voice. Said you her pictures na ubenya voice abeti de ye kano. Nipa ye sound technician Samuel Okai. So also how on pajama sir. Video na niye no I ba behwe video e ba behwe no nipa odi ni technical team anim emienya pictures no at the cinematographer I dodo na your friend DOP director of photography aye Patrick Osewusu oni ni team Nicholas K Mensa adwumadie bi ebedi wo wiase bia ne onipa oda no a wo keka mo bom e command mo oba film ma your friend production manager Nyankopon insha no so be nya very successful production in yete ha a ye pese ye pa hontuma eye Reverend Ampofo the head of production already insha no nyo kese if you are answer na de no ebeba reality no your son e daye ene directors a omugina akiri e kan wesi bom e command set no emi enya a storyline enya title the man your friend say Mr. President no the head of the directors team no director Jackson K Bentum the godfather of the industry three major directors and yes adwuma and you all give thanks and glory to director Jackson K Bentum so ono kwa amfa ni trimupo